good morning. So I just got back from Spencer's. I quickly woke up, got ready and went for grocery shopping. Since everything closes at 12, we had to rush, and I just came back and had my breakfast. Since I was running late, I haven't had my breakfast. So yeah, coming to the point, I just wanted to film a vlog today, like a proper what I do in a day. I thought it would be fun to film a vlog apart from my regular speaking videos. So yeah, if you're interested, keep watching. I have to log in now, it's already late. So yeah, I'll see you guys again. Okay, so at this time I check my mails and see the things that I need to do in a day and get done with them. I didn't take it long today. Now I'm just clearing the storage on my phone. I edit all my videos and pictures on my phone, so it always gets filled up quickly. I just move them to my laptop after I'm done using them or posting them. So that is what I'm doing here now. Okay, so for lunch we have mutton curry and it looks so yummy. To be honest, I eat well when my mom feeds me, or else I'm not usually interested in having lunch. So yeah, my mom's feeding me while I do my work. And guys, look at the wind. The weather is so nice today. It turned up like this in the noon all of a sudden. But yeah, it feels so nice and cool. And now I got back to work. I also had a meeting to attend, so I'm just sending an invite and continuing with rest of my work. I didn't have much to do today though. Hey guys, so I'm done with my meetings and my work for today. So I've got something. Yay! I've got my paints and canvas, so I'm really excited to paint something. And I also got something from Myntra, so this is why I haven't filmed the haul yet. So I'm waiting for the rest of my order to receive so that I can start filming my Myntra haul. So it must be up next week or something like that. So once my whole order get delivers, I will start filming it and upload it that week itself. So yeah, I'm really waiting for that. And yeah, I think I'm going to work out now. I don't know, I should see, because I just got done with my work, so I'm kind of tired. I mean, not tired, but yeah, I need some time for myself. So yeah, let's see what we're gonna do. Okay, so after contemplating for a long time, I decided to walk for a bit. I don't usually do this every day, but I'm trying to be consistent from now on. After all, working out for half an hour a day is not that hard, I guess. So yeah, I just need the motivation to do it. Okay, so I'm done and I'm gonna go back and come back.
Much later.
Alright, I'm back. I'm done with my shower and also had my dinner. So I'm quickly gonna do my skincare now. So I'm currently using this moisturizer from Plum. It is great for summers because it's oil free. So I'm currently using this. It's a new purchase and I'm absolutely loving it. So I usually do my skincare right before I sleep, which means at midnight, 2 or 3 o'clock. So I don't want to film then. Everyone would wake up if I do that. So I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna use this moisturizer, not much, but this will goes a long way. I'm gonna apply the rest to the hands, and I'm using this eye serum from Eclat or whatever it is. It is so lightweight. I'm loving it. I'm just gonna take a small pump. It is so watery, so I'm just gonna do this and apply it around my eyes. I'm going to keep my skincare really simple now. I don't want to apply a lot of products. And I'm going to use this Baby Lips lip balm. And lastly, I'm going to use this Plum Green Tea Clear Spotlight Gel. I'm going to use this here where I have like boils, and it's working great for them actually. They've reduced a lot after using this. So yeah, this is all for my skincare. There's a lot to it, but I'm gonna show you guys in my skincare video. So I'll do a morning skincare routine as well as my night skincare routine. There's a lot to my nighttime skincare, so I don't wanna bore you guys with my skincare now. So I just wanna keep this vlog casual and chill. So yeah, this is it for the day, guys. The weather is so chill today. It rained a lot since the afternoon. So yeah, after this I'm gonna watch something and sleep. That is all that I'm gonna do. So currently I'm watching this series called Zoo. I quite loved it. I'm in the season 3, which is the last season, of course. So yeah, it'll be done in a day or two. It'll be over, so I'll have to look for another series or movies.
The next day.
Hey guys, good morning. So it's another day today, and I put this nose strip on. So I'm going to film a YouTube video today, so I'm kind of prepping my skin for that. So that is what this is for. I haven't tried this before. This is the first time I'm trying this nose strip, so I should see how it works. But yeah, I haven't had my breakfast yet. I'm super hungry right now, so yeah, let's go make something now.
One eternity later.
So it's evening and I decided to test my paints out once before I use them on a canvas. So I'm just randomly painting something, like just casually playing with the colors. It was so nice to do it, but honestly my back hurts after bending down for like that for a long time.
2 hours later.
Okay, I'm done and I'm so tired already, and I'm ending my vlog here. So I'll see you guys again in my next video, and please do subscribe for more videos, and I love you guys. Bye. So yeah, that is it for the video, guys. I hope you all liked it, and this is all that I do in a day. Sometimes I work out, sometimes I don't, and sometimes I do different things. It's not the same every day, but mostly this is the routine, how it works. So yeah, that is it for the video, guys. I hope you all liked it, and give this a big thumbs up if you like it, and please do subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys again next week. Until then, take care. Bye.